Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope everyone is fine and in good health. Well, I am also doing fine. So today I made corn rice. So now as it is a monsoon season, you are getting lot of fresh corns in the market. So I am making many corn dishes. So for making this is very simple, and also it hardly takes 10 minutes of your time including everything to make this corn rice. It is super yummy and it goes very well with rice. It goes very well with any achar, chutney or with any curry. So at first I have taken 2 spoon of cooking oil, and there I will put few cumin seeds and then bay leaf, cardamom, and I'll just split the cardamom and put the cardamom so that the flavor comes out, and 1 cinnamon sticks, few peppercorns, and fry it very nicely. Now I'm going to add the veggies. So here I have add this green peas, chopped beans and corn, lot of corn. So this is fresh sweet corn. You can use frozen corn also. So I am using the fresh corn. I bought it from the market. And then I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice. I have soaked it in water for 20 minutes. And then once I put all the veggies, and then I put the rice and I fry it for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes, fry it, and then make sure that you use the spatula very carefully, otherwise this basmati rice will get broken. So now it's got fried a little bit. Now I have taken 2 cups of rice, so I am using 1.5 cup of water. So that's the measurement. And then now I put salt as per taste. So here I am using pink salt. We usually cook with pink salt our recipes. And then now friends, I am going to add half a lemon juice. So lemon juice is very important. It will make the rice look very nice, and also the taste and the flavor of the rice will be enhanced by the lemon juice. So please do not skip the lemon juice. Lemon juice is very important. So I cover it with a lid, and then medium flame I am cooking it for another 2 to 4 minutes. See friends, the rice are cooking very nicely and it's looking very nice as well. How nice the colorful the rice is looking. So it's almost done friends. Now again I kept it in the low flame, and then I'm not going to serve it when the rice is hot. Once the rice is cool, then only I'll serve. So friends, if you are seeing my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel, like, share, comments. So your comments will motivate me to make more nice and challenging recipes every day. So see friends, the corn rice is ready and it's giving very nice aroma without any onion, garlic. I made this corn rice which came out super yummy. The spices gives a very nice flavor to the rice. So I am serving it with chickpea curry. So I made this chickpea curry and serving with chickpea. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Have a nice day.